Hi there, cruisers. It's Amanda with Meet Your Cruise Planner, and I'm getting my toiletries ready for my next cruise. And I wanted to show you how I do it, and I might surprise you a little bit. All right, cruisers, it's that time. I restocked some of my toiletries, and I'm getting ready to get them in the bags, ready to go for my next cruise. And I thought it would be interesting to kind of show you how I do it. I am not fancy, and I think that might be a surprise. With how much I travel, you would think I would have a bag for a bag for a bag. It seems to be a very popular trend. I don't do it like that. So I'm going to break it down. I'm going to show you my makeup bag. It's a Ziplock, guys. It's so simple. I do my organization for my toiletries in 3 different bags. I've got my makeup bag. I have my hair and eye, like contact bag. And then I have my body bag. And not that kind of body bag, but I'll explain that one as well. And then I have one that I will put, this is for like my embarkation bag. So I'll kind of break it down and show it to you. So my makeup is really simple. I'm not gonna take it all out because I might bore you. Mascara, a powder foundation, a little bit of blush, a little bit of eyeshadow, and some lip stain. That's it. That's all I do. I keep it really simple. I don't bring a lot. I make sure I squeeze all of the air out of my Ziploc. I do not put anything wet in this bag because if I put a shampoo in this bag and it were to leak all over my makeup, I would cry. So I just keep it really simple. Nothing wet in there, it's all dry, and this just goes right into my suitcase. I do not bring this in my like a carry-on bag. I do not bring this in my embarkation bag. This goes right in my suitcase. But now, my hair stuff and my contact stuff. I don't know why I put them all in one, but that's how my brain works. So in this bag, again, anything that I use for my hair. So my hairbrush, I do enjoy a dry shampoo. I actually live by it when I go on my cruises. So dry shampoo, really nice. It just kind of gives you a nice little lift, especially if after dinner, you know you're going, like after you go to dinner the night before and then you're headed to the Lido deck the next morning. You don't want to wash your hair, but you don't want to look like a greasy mess either. So a little bit of dry shampoo does the trick. And if you ladies have never tried dry shampoo, I encourage you to. I use a Miracle Leave-In product. It's a 10. It's literally called a Miracle Leave-In product. Helps with the shine on your hair. I have very dry hair, and so this kind of gives it a nice little shine. So I absolutely love this one. It's a 10. Okay. I'll show you the dry shampoo because I failed to do that as well. But I love that one. I don't waste a lot of time on shampoo and conditioner. Some of you might have a specialty shampoo and conditioner that you want to bring. Fine, bring it. Use those little refillable shampoo and conditioners. I think it's great. I do use a specialty shampoo at home. I don't bother when I go on a cruise. I grab whatever they have at the store, and when I went, they had Tresemme. So I got shampoo and conditioner and Tresemme. This will last me about 2 weeks. So if I do it right, I could get 2 cruises out of this. I am a gal who needs some volume help, so I do have a mousse that I bring. So there you go. That's the mousse. Oh, there we go. Yep. Got it. All right. And then my contact solution and a couple hair ties. Okay. So all of this goes in one bag, a Ziploc bag. Don't buy the fancy stuff. It's a waste of money. Save it for your cruise. And it's all wet, right? So there's nothing in here that would get ruined if something sprung open. Sometimes I will put my contact solution in a separate, another separate Ziploc bag, like a smaller sandwich size in here. So something you might want to consider. But yeah, that's it. I get all the air out of it. Boom, this goes in my suitcase, not my carry-on. But Amanda, you bought all travel size. I know, but I don't bother putting it in my carry-on. Oh, and my hairbrush, I forgot to put that in there. All right, so now the fun bag and the bigger bag, okay? This is my body bag. And I've got a few surprises in here as well. So I'm gonna do the surprises first, actually, because I think that will be most interesting for you guys. Wrinkle release spray. I put it in my body bag. So this particular one is Downy. I get whatever is available when I go. This time I went to Target and they had the Downy wrinkle release. So I buy that. Sometimes I can get it on Amazon cheaper if I buy it in bulk. This is something that you have to have when you go on a cruise, guys. It's non-negotiable. It's some sort of toilet spray. Okay. Self-explanatory why. But I actually love this one, VIP. I get this one from Amazon. It's absolutely fantastic. It smells so good. And now every time I smell it, I feel like I'm on a cruise ship. So I use it at home too, but it reminds me of the cruise ship every time. Oh, okay. I usually keep my Tide to Go stick. Tide to Go. There we go. I usually keep this in my body bag as well. Usually on the first 2 days I don't need it, but when I am on the cruise ship or I'm at ports, inevitably I'm going to need this because I'm going to stain it somehow. Somebody asked me what the tip looks like. It's just like that. And you just shake it and then you press on it and the liquid comes out. So this, I always have that with me. Put it in my body bag. I've got my toothpaste. The toothpaste will come out of the box, but I had just replenished. So this one is actually kind of big. This is the smallest that they had. But you know, guys, the one that they give you at the dentist, just when you go, ask them for an extra. That's what I do. Usually, this time I bought this one, but usually I just ask for whatever they have. I don't go anywhere without a little bit of Glide. This is Body Glide. I use it in between my thighs. Ladies, it's a reality. But it's just like an anti-chafe balm. It's wonderful. I use it whenever I'm wearing a bathing suit or if I'm wearing shorts or a skirt or a dress. I always use this. This goes with me everywhere. My razor, portable razor. This one I really like. It's the Venus one. Comes with a little handle. So cute, right? Nice little travel one. I usually do bring an additional razor head as well. So I usually will go through 2 in a 7 or 8 day period. So adorable, really fun. My body wash. I just buy what they have. This one was Olay. Now, I know what you're thinking. Amanda, do I really need to bring body wash, shampoo, and conditioner? Won't they have that on the ship? Yeah. Most cases, they will have an all-in-one. So if you like an all-in-one, that's great. But I will tell you, it's going to dry your hair out. It's going to dry out your skin. Just go and get yourself something from Target or your Walgreens or Longs or wherever you go. Like I said, I brought the Olay. I bought the Olay. It's perfect. You will dry out. I can't say this enough. If you're flying to your port of embarkation, you're going to be dry from the airplane ride. The airplane, it dries you out. Your skin's going to be dry. You're going to be dehydrated. I love this stuff. I do make an effort to find this brand, Jergens. I use it for my hands, my legs, my arms, all my skin except for my face. I usually don't use it for my face because I have a different one. But I absolutely love this one, Jergens. So find yourself some Jergens and put it on, okay? Also in my body bag, Neutrogena makeup wipes. You could buy the travel pack. I don't know why you would. There's only 7 in there. People will say, oh man, you shouldn't use makeup wipes. It just smears the makeup around your face. I use like 40 of them. No, I'm kidding, I don't. I use like 3 of them to get my makeup off at night, and I love it. Sometimes I just lay in bed and wipe it off. But Neutrogena makeup wipes, you can use any kind. Like I said, you don't have to use the Neutrogena kind, but I do like it. Now, my guilty pleasure. Because I'm so dry from the airplane, I always bring face masks with me. Some people are like, but you're in, maybe you're going to the Caribbean, wherever you go, you're going to be near the water, right? So there's always moisture, and people say, oh, no, there's so much moisture and humidity, you'll be fine, your skin won't dry out. When I travel that much and I'm not drinking as much water, I always dry out. And so to hydrate myself, I live by this brand, this one, the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. They're really awesome. I'm going to show you the back. I love them. They come in like 2 little pieces, but they have the hyaluronic acid and instantly quenches skin, deeply hydrates, leaves skin supple and hydrated. It does. Okay, but it's a one-time use, so I bring 2. And maybe I'll let my husband use one if he's lucky. But all of this goes right into this Ziploc bag, guys. You'll see me, you buy those fancy ones, those fancy cases, nothing fits in them. I find it infuriating. So I'm limited to what I can fit in this little cute trendy bag I found. I don't think so. Just use a Ziploc, get all the air out of it. Boom, this goes right into my suitcase, just like that. All right, now my embarkation or my carry-on luggage, my embarkation bag. I've done a video on it, but I do just want to let you know I use my Hydro Boost again, Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Love it. This thing I smear on my face during embarkation day as well. I usually don't wear a lot of makeup on embarkation day, so I'm wiping myself down. If you're going to the Lido deck, you'll want your sunblock. So we've got that for you. And guys, you cannot go anywhere without chapstick, okay? Your chapstick. I really love this brand. I just opened it, but it's called Starface. I always play around with my chapsticks. It's another little secret vice, but look, isn't that adorable? It's got, see if I can get it on there. It's got a little smiley face. Isn't that cute? That's gone pretty quick once you put it on. But it smells so good. It reminds me of like Smackers. Is that what they're called? Anyway, when you were a kid and it would taste and smell really good. So I bring those. So those are my toiletries. That's what I bring. I think my husband would probably say I overdo it, but I use every single one of these items. So I don't think I overdo it at all. I think it's everything that you need. So big surprise though, big takeaway, use your Ziploc bags. Don't bother buying these clear, which cracks me up. You're buying a clear bag to bring so you can use it through TSA or guys, just use a Ziploc bag, okay? All right, I hope you liked this video and you found it informative. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next cruise.